Now for these questions, we need to find 50%, 25% and 20% of a number. And we can find these percentages by changing the percentage into a simplified fraction. So first, we need to find 50% of 588. Now we could do what we normally do and divide 588 by 100 and then multiply it by 50. But 50% or 50 hundredths can be simplified. If we divide both the numerator and the denominator by 50, we get 1/2. So instead of finding 50% or 50 hundredths, we can get our answer by dividing by 2 or finding 1/2 of 588, because 1/2 is the same as 50%. So to find 1/2, we can divide our number by 2. 5 divided by 2 is 2 remainder 1, 18 divided by 2 is 9, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So 50% of 588 is 294. Now we need to find 25%, but we can simplify 25 hundredths. 25 and 100 are both in the 25 times table. 25 is the highest common factor of both numbers. So 25 divided by 25 is 1, and 100 divided by 25 is 4, because 4 times 25 is 100. So to find 25%, rather than dividing by 100 and then multiplying by 25, we can instead just divide our number by 4, because that's how we find 1/4, and 1/4 is the same as 25%. 7 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 3. 32 divided by 4 is 8, so our answer is 18. Now we need to find 20% of 1,600. 20% is 20 hundredths, but that can be simplified to 1/5. So instead of dividing by 100 and multiplying by 20, we can just divide our number by 5. Taking the first two digits together, 16 divided by 5 is 3 remainder 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 0 divided by 5 is 0. So our answer is 320.